Hi guys, it's me Maddie, and today I'm going to be making slime. Shout out to Annika, my best friend, for giving me the idea. First, you need glue. Second, you need food coloring. You can use neon or regular. You need borax activator, water, glitter, something to mix with, shaving cream, and hand lotion. And a bowl, because, I mean, come on. Let's get started.
And
first, we're adding the glue. I couldn't get all the glue out, so I added a couple tablespoons of water to the glue. Now I'm going to mix it up. Once you're all done mixing, you add the food coloring. I chose neon pink. Let me add it in. See how this looks. Wow, it's so pretty. I added 2 more drops just to make it a little more darker. Here's how it turned out. Next, you pour the glitter, if you want. Should I pour all of it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Oh. My gosh. I have to mix this. It looks so pretty. I added 2 packets of glitter because who can't have 2 packets of glitter? Next, you add the lotion. I'm using Moonlight Path. Next, we add a ton of shaving cream. Ew. Ew. That's a lot. Let's take this out. Once you have a nice fluffy consistency, you add the activator, the borax activator. So I'm guessing we're going to use 2 of these. Oh my gosh. We might need more because of how big this is, but we'll try. Ooh, this is nice. I should add more. Two more? Keep adding a tablespoon at a time. I ended up using 6 of them. That's when it starts pulling off of the sides and you can knead it with your hands. This is what it ended up like. It's really fluffy. Oh, and my friend left this on me, if you were wondering. It's not stretchy. It's very, very good though. And very glittery. I like what I added. I used 2 packs of glitter. Oh, that's gross. See, it's not stretchy, but it's good. I like its noises. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like it. Turn on the bell notification so you can never miss any of my videos. Bye!